Okay, this is Luke, and today I'm going to install a K&N air filter in my 2017 Honda Civic EX hatchback. First thing that we're going to need to have you do, I've got 1,089 miles on the car so far. You're going to release the hood, and once you've done that, you're going to step out of the car. The release for your hood is kind of tricky. It's the opposite of what I was accustomed to in my 2014 Honda Civic. This one actually is located further on the left, so that'll give you some sense of where you need to be when you put that in, and then you need to come over here and remove the pop on. How's it going? And now we're going to remove the air cleaner. I'm accustomed to using a 10mm socket to get to these different nuts, but Honda, it looks like they put in an 8mm socket. I went 8mm socket hunting and couldn't find one. So I've got a 5/16 that is adequate in getting it off. We've got 4 nuts. Nut number 1, nut number 2, nut number 3, and nut number 4. Okay, this is the air filter. It's reusable. You can wash it. I had it in my 2014 Honda Civic. You're going to get a little extra gas mileage. It's a better filter in terms of flow. The part number on this filter is 33-5044. Get it ready for install. Pop it over here. Loosen the bolts. Break them loose. One thing I noticed about this air filter element, it won't actually let you take the bolts out. So what you're going to need to do after you loosen them is reach down in there and feel that they're free. Okay, you've got the air filter element. Not getting a very good angle, but you just basically lift it straight up. and it comes right out. I'm going to keep it so when the time comes and I need to clean my filter, I can remove my K&N, wash it, let it dry, re-oil it, and run off my paper element. I'm just going to tighten the 4 bolts down. You can also use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to get to it. Final torquing. And we are done. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow what's going on with my car. I am going to rack up the miles on it faster than nobody's business. So let's see how it holds up.